Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and is this not the best looking high chair that you have ever seen? This is the Cocoon high chair by Oribel, and I love it because I know that it's going to be around for several years, and I don't want it to be an ugly eyesore in my beautiful dining room. I want it to look like it belongs there, and I want it to look good. Obviously, when it comes to a high chair, looks are not everything. You want it to be safe and you want it to be easy to use and easy to move around. Well, this high chair is so sturdy. There's some really cool features about this high chair. One of it being that the back of it actually tilts. So then you can safely cradle baby in the high chair and have the baby at the table right along with you eating dinner. As the baby gets older, you simply tilt it up. One of the great features of this high chair is this really wide serving tray. I like that I'm able to sit the food on the edge of the tray and baby cannot yet reach it. That is so convenient when you're feeding a baby that likes to grab everything, which is any baby. It's also really nice that the height of this is adjustable. The Oribel Cocoon has such a sleek design. I really don't mind how it looks sitting in the corner. It's easy to use, easy to move about the house so that baby can move into the kitchen with me while I cook or move back to the table, and it really grows with the child. This is a great choice of a high chair, and I wish I had had one for my kids, but that's my point of view.